It's almost Thanksgiving, and today we're going to be taking a look at this dish set. In this video, I'm going to show you what comes in the box and give you my honest opinion. The seller did send these to us in exchange for a video. However, all of the views and opinions in this video are my own. In the box, you're going to have 4 bowls, 4 salad plates, and 4 dinner plates. Each piece of these is hand finished, which means each one looks a little different than the other one. You can see, for example, this one's blue band is just a little thicker than this one's blue band. Each of the plates has a nice deep lip to keep things from sliding off of it. There are 2 different size plates also. This is your dinner plate. These are really heavy and well made. I love the finish on them. I love the look of them. The bottom is non-slip. This part is not glazed to keep it from slipping around. These are absolutely beautiful. I absolutely love the lip on these, and I love that these are microwave and dishwasher safe. I would love to have a meal set out for you, but with all the cooking I'm gonna be doing for Thanksgiving, I don't have it in me to make a separate meal right now.